First we have to factor the denominators here. To find the LCM. So these both start off with an x and end with a y. The first one ends up with a plus, so we have to have a negative times a negative to have a plus on the end and a negative in the middle. Same here. Negative times a negative will get a positive here and yet have a negative in the middle. For the first two, we're looking for two numbers to go here and here whose product is 24, and that sum up, add up to 11. So 8 times 3, or 8 and 3 are the numbers. 8 times 3 is 24, and 8 plus 3 is 11. So we can put the 8 and the 3 in there. For this one, we're looking for two numbers to go here and here whose product is 8 and whose sum is 9. So those numbers are 8 and 1. So the 8 can go here and the 1 here. Well, with the 1, we don't need to put it. 1y is just y. So we factored the denominators. We can replace the denominators now with their factored form. So this one is x minus 8y times x minus 3y. And this one is x minus 8y times x minus y. So now we can see what's needed to complete each denominator to become the LCM of both. Okay, the first denominator is missing the x minus y factor, so we'll give it an x minus y. The second rational expression here is missing the x minus 3y factor, so we'll give it that. Next, we distribute in the numerators as we write everything over the common denominator. And this is a negative 7 here that's distributing through the parentheses. All this is over the common denominator we've just found. X minus 8y times x minus 3y times x minus y. In the numerator here we have 5x minus 5y minus 7x plus 21y. Combining like terms, we've got 5x's take away 7x's. That's negative 2x. And in the y department, we've got negative 5y's. Negative 5y's plus 21y's. 21y's minus 5y's is 16y's. And same denominator as before. Lastly, let's try to factor that numerator. I'm going to factor out a negative 2. And what we have is x minus 8y. Because negative 2 times x is negative 2x, and negative 2 times negative 8y is positive 16y. Notice there's also an x minus 8y factor in the denominator. So we can cancel out that x minus 8y factor. And we're finally left with our solution, which is negative 2 divided by x minus 3y times x minus y. So that's how this rational difference of rational expression simplifies to.